Hi guys, Mike here and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up keyboard shortcuts using text replacement so that you can type faster. Text replacement can be awesome because it allows you to type repetitive phrases very quickly. For example, my name. Next, my email address. And even common phrases such as on my way or good night. This feature has many different uses, but my favorite place to use it is in Twitter. Let's take a look. Let's compose a tweet. Text replacement can be useful in this situation. Instead of typing in the full Twitter handle, all I do is type the abbreviation @CWO and hit the spacebar. And as you can see, the Twitter handle of @CrimeWritersOn is placed in the message correctly. Once you type your message, you can simply hit tweet. To set up text replacement, type the Twitter handle that you want to abbreviate and copy it. If you need to see how to search settings in iOS, check out my video in the YouTube card on screen now. Open Settings. Tap General, Keyboard, and then Text Replacement. Tap the plus sign in the upper right corner. Paste the Twitter handle into the phrase box. Then type an abbreviation into the shortcut box, in this case @KPF. If you type that abbreviation and hit the spacebar, the entire Twitter handle will be placed into the search box. There's the abbreviation that was just created. To use it inside Twitter, open the application. Type the abbreviation @KPF and then hit the spacebar. The Twitter handle is automatically put into your tweet. Then type the message as normal. You can hit tweet and the message will be posted.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.